How to use your dashboard lights, what you need to know. You know firsthand how tense it may be if you've ever been driving along and noticed one of your dashboard lights start blinking at you. Is this a significant problem or merely additional information? Should you continue to drive? You can excuse yourself for feeling daunted by the sheer number of lights on your dashboard since modern vehicles are more intelligent than ever. However, it's crucial to pay attention when your car is trying to communicate with you. Despite major technological advancements, many dashboard lights and symbols are same across all makes and models to make it easier for drivers to spot common problems. The most significant dashboard lights are covered in the following primer so you will know what they indicate and what to do if they begin to blink at you. The 5 dashboard lights you need to know. Although all of the lights on your dashboard are significant, there are 5 in particular that you need to be aware of before you drive. Low fuel. This sign is arguably the most easily recognized because it resembles a petrol pump. This is your cue to stop at a gas station as soon as possible to avoid running out of petrol while driving. When the light comes on, the typical automobile still has 2 to 3 gallons of fuel, so if you know your MPG rating, you can calculate how far you can travel. Nevertheless, bad weather and heavy traffic might reduce your mileage, so when the fuel indicator comes on, don't gamble. Washer fluid. Although many people also believe it to be 2 candy canes, this sign resembles a water spray on a windshield. Your washer fluid is low and has to be topped off if this light illuminates. Although it's not normally an emergency, running out of washer fluid might result in dangerously limited visibility and poor weather if you reside in a snowy area where the roads are salted. Fill up your washer immediately. Check engine. This typical engine outline might illuminate for a number of reasons, such as low oil pressure, engine overheating, a loose gas cap, or an obstructed air filter. As soon as you can, you should have your car serviced to determine the nature of the issue. Stop driving right now if your check engine light is flashing. This is an indication of a significant emergency, and continuing to do so could seriously harm your engine. Battery alert. This light doesn't always indicate that your battery is dead even if it resembles the battery in your car. Actually, it suggests a problem with the alternator as well as the entire charging system. Get this checked out as soon as you can, otherwise, you risk having a dead battery that leaves you stranded and in need of a friend's jump start. Oil light. This light, which resembles an old-fashioned oil can, turns on when your oil pressure is low. As soon as you can, top off your oil since an unlubricated engine may eventually seize, causing expensive harm to you. This light may need to be fixed if it flashes regularly because of a leak.